Today, we're making a traditional Polish mushroom soup, Zupa Grzybowa. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 2 cups dried wild mushrooms, 8 cups of water or vegetable stock, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 finely chopped onion, 2 diced medium carrots, 1 optional diced parsnip, 2 peeled and cubed medium potatoes, half a cup of sour cream, 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, a quarter cup of fresh parsley, salt and pepper to taste, 1 bay leaf, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. First, rinse the dried mushrooms under cold water to remove any dirt. Place them in a bowl and cover with warm water. Soak for at least 30 minutes or until soft. Reserve the soaking liquid by straining it through a fine sieve to remove grit. In a large pot, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the onion and sauté until translucent. Stir in the carrots and parsnip and cook for a few minutes. Chop the rehydrated mushrooms into bite-sized pieces and add them to the pot along with the reserved soaking liquid. Pour in the water or vegetable stock, add the bay leaf and bring to a simmer. Add the potatoes to the pot and cook until they are tender, about 15 to 20 minutes. In a small bowl, whisk the sour cream and flour until smooth. Gradually add a few tablespoons of hot soup to temper the mixture, then stir it into the pot. Simmer gently for 5 minutes, stirring frequently to avoid lumps. Remove the bay leaf and season the soup with salt, pepper and lemon juice if using. Stir in the parsley, ladle the soup into bowls and garnish with fresh parsley. Serve with crusty bread for a complete meal.